Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम शानी है. If you don't know me, I am in Canada right now, a student who is on work permit and doing a full-time job. So full-time job के साथ I'm trying to balance my travel also because I love traveling and clicking pictures too. So I'm trying to balance both of them. So अभी मैं आई हूँ Quebec. It's a province in Canada, and I'll show you मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी. There are a lot of things happening right now in Quebec. Snowfall, Winter Festival, then North America का एक ही ice hotel है यहाँ पर. So I'm going to take you everywhere. Valcat here, hotels and spa, जहाँ पे you have your the ice hotel. All the winter activities happen over here. Souvenir shops हैं यहाँ पर. So I'm going to go to the ice hotel first. So I have a bad news that snow tubing is not open today. I guess they have some specific days for snow tubing. Check on their website. But to go to their hotel, the glass, I don't know if you're able to see. Let me zoom in for you. It's over here. So I have to make my way from here to go out. I see the banner over there. Can you please do that? That's so cool. Thank you. There is this cute little shop. You have maple syrup or candies or anything. And then this is the hotel number 1 they have over here. Then they have this little spot to warm yourself. Then they have 1, 2, and 3 over here. So let's go into it. So I had a drink over here right now in that ice glass. I'll attach a photo over here. And right now my hands are like freezing. Like इतना ज़्यादा ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी frostbite हो जाएगा मेरे को. But I'm going to wear my jacket. I got my jacket also. वैसे ठंड नहीं लग रही है. But then hands are naked. तो ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है हाथों में. This is very pretty. Like बहुत amazing है. You should come over here. It's a lifetime experience. You have to explore this place. It's worth the $30. Then there is one more room over here. Look at it. बिल्कुल amazing है यार यहाँ पर तो इतना सुंदर बनाया है. And then there are kids having fun over here. Oh, there is a slide. It's 7:30 in the morning and I'm going to do breakfast. They haven't opened yet, but देखते हैं 5-10 मिनट में खुल जाना चाहिए. Everyone is in the queue already. I'm on the 3rd. Let's see. And they have given me a shot of juice. Let's dig in. I'm all ready to go. This is my outfit. Black, blue and cream beige jacket, and it is sunny. Weather is good. It's just 2 degrees Celsius. इतनी ठंड नहीं है, but I still wore a warmer, and that's it. Let's go and explore the city. So finally, I am. धूप बहुत तेज पड़ रही है, but I am at Montmorency Waterfall. That's how you pronounce it. The T is silent. It's a French name. मेरे पीछे ही waterfall है and there's a to go up there's cable cars. So मैं cable car लूँगी. Cable car is included in the ticket. That's around $6 or $7. So the entry and the cable car ticket is together. मैंने वो ले लिया. So I'm just going to head to the cable car now. And ऊपर एक suspension bridge भी है. Wait, I'll show you. As you can see, ये जो cable car है, and this over here, zoom in. This is the suspension bridge over here. इधर we'll be walking and taking the view of the falls. वैसे तो यहाँ से भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है ये. This is the stairs you walk up, but ये अभी closed है for the winter season right now. That's good.
That's tight?
No, that's good. Yeah. Thank you. मैं इसी वक्त लास्ट ईयर इंडिया कश्मीर घूम रही थी एंड अभी मैं क्यूबेक घूम रही हूँ. जस्ट द विंटरलैंड, आई एम हैविंग दैट विंटरलैंड मोमेंट. क्यूबेक भी और कश्मीर भी ऐसा ही था, पूरा बर्फ से ढका हुआ, एंड इट इज जस्ट सो प्रिटी.